Hey guys, this is Mrs. Finch. Thanks for logging on to watch my video today. We're going to talk about trees. I'm up in Irons, Michigan, and Irons is north of Baldwin. It's about 3 hours northwest of Marshall. So let's take a look at some trees. And we're going to start out by looking at some leaves. So these are some different leaves. There are three popular trees that are in Michigan. So we have some maple leaves, we have some oak leaves, and this is one that I picked right off of the tree. So it's actually still green, and this is one that has kind of shriveled up and fallen off naturally. There's a little acorn there. And here is some pine needles, okay? So let's take a look. Let's look at these trees. So this right here is our maple tree. So look at the bark pattern on there. It's got some moss growing on the side of it. If we look up at the actual canopy, so looking up, it's beautiful with some yellow and some reds and some orange on the leaves right now. And that's part of why I wanted to show you guys today, because it's beautiful out here in northern Michigan. So let's take a look at this tree. This is a pine tree. Again, it's got some moss growing on the side of it. This is the pattern of the pine tree. Remember, pine trees have needles on them. So there's some of the pine needles that are a part of a pine tree. And this right here is when they fall off. And here's what it looks like when it's on the stem still. Fell right off of the tree. So again, we've got some maple leaves, maple, and then pine. And let's take a look. Again, this is our pine. Now let's take a look over here. This is an oak, so take a look at that. This is the pattern for the oak leaves. So again, these ones are dried up and fell off of the tree. These ones were still green, and I actually grabbed them off. So this is the canopy looking up there. So this is looking at all of the leaves, looking off into the rest of the trees. And take a look again at the oak leaves here. So the oak has kind of like this rounded edge versus the maple, which kind of has these pointy, jagged edges. Okay, so this one is a maple, this one is an oak, and this one is an oak. And then these are the pine needles. So make sure you're doing good. See you guys.